It is a landmark decision by the U.S. Supreme Court today. Workers can no longer be discriminated against because of who they identify as or who they love. The LGBTQ community is celebrating the conservative court's ruling, but as NBC4's Adrian Robbins tells us, they say their fight is far from over. Adrian.
Darlene, tonight City Hall will be lit up in rainbow colors, all to kick off Pride Week here in Columbus. And after this historic ruling, those who are gay, lesbian, or transgender will no longer have to worry about celebrating Pride one day and being fired from their job the next.
It is serious. It is something that needs to be talked about.
It's a fear LGBTQ Ohioans know all too well. Will they be fired from their job because of who they are?
People are just very secluded in their own workspace and they feel very unsafe, and it's still happening every day. I mean, customers still come in and want to harass the employees who work here.
Today, the U.S. Supreme Court ruling that the Federal Civil Rights Act bars gay, lesbian, and transgender workers from being discriminated against at their workplace.
I think it's important for us as a community to be able to celebrate this and to know that, we can't be erased and that our community matters.
Ohio Attorney General Dave Yost joined a multi-state brief last year fighting against that inclusion. He said in a statement today, all people deserve to be treated fairly. For me and for Ohio, that has never been in dispute. The question had been whether Title VII applies to these facts or if further action by Congress was necessary. The decision is a step the LGBTQ community say they are excited about, but they also say more work is needed to reach equality.
We shouldn't just acknowledge this as a moment of oh, we've accomplished one thing, let's stop. This is just the beginning.
Jerry Rodriguez with Stonewall Columbus told us that it's important that we have these conversations about these issues at our workplaces with our colleagues. He said they may be difficult, but it's the only way we get to true culture change. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Adrian Robbins, NBC4.